Okay, this is how you measure the capacity of a battery. I have a 12-volt battery here from a DeWalt drill, and I have this meter set up to read amps. I have this meter set up to read voltage. I have a 50 ohm resistor here, 5 watt, to handle the power that's going to be going through this. And I have this ammeter hooked up in circuit in series with this battery. So if I connect up this lead to the positive terminal of the battery, it's going to run through the ammeter and come back out and run to the resistor. And then I have my voltmeter here connected across this resistor, so I can read the voltage across the resistor. So I just have the circuit up like this, like I was showing earlier in a video on reading the internal resistance of the battery. I just have the resistor, this 50 ohm resistor, across the output here. And so I'm just going to get a current flow there, and I'm trying to keep that current as low as possible, but yet high enough that it will drain the current, because what you're after is you want this battery fully charged to begin with, and then you connect a resistor across the battery and you measure the voltage and the current about every hour as it slowly discharges. And you want to discharge the battery from full charge down to about 1 volt per cell, and I have 10 cells inside this battery, so it'd be down to 10 volts. So you just continue to read the voltage about every hour and the current about every hour until you get down to about 10 volts. And then you can stop the discharge, and then what you do is you total up the number of hours that you had to get it discharged to 10 volts, and you take the current that you began with, which here it was 261 milliamps is what I started with the current. So you take the number of hours and you multiply it times the amount of current that you began with, which is 261 milliamps. Now this was about 11 hours that it took to discharge the battery from 13 volts down to 10 volts. And that'll give you the milliamp hours. So it's a very simple thing to do. You just discharge the battery from full charge down to about 1 volt per cell. Now this is for a nickel cadmium battery. And you will get your milliamp hours.
So please subscribe to the video and like the video and press the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified about future videos. Thank you and have a good day.